Lloyds Bank Investment ISA account. I'm going to tell you about the Lloyds Bank Investment ISA account and what you need to know before opening one. The Lloyds Investment ISA is a stock and shares ISA, meaning it lets you invest in the stock market while shielding your return for UK capital gains and income tax. As of the current tax year, you can invest up to £20,000 into your ISA. Lloyds offer this account through their share dealing platform, and you can choose from thousands of UK and international shares, funds, ETFs, and more. You can either pick investments yourself or use a ready-made portfolio managed by professionals. There's a £40 annual account fee plus dealing charges, around £11 per online trade, so it's not the cheapest platform. But it's well integrated if you already bank with Lloyds. This ISA is ideal for people who want long-term tax-efficient investing, but you'll need to be comfortable with market risks. It's not a savings account. Your investments can go up or down.